how tough it is?
This is Jack, and his life is so tough. And
Hey!
he likes to destroy the house. Jack, is it dinner time and that's why you're being mean? You're gonna take all the stuff off the table. Oh, barking. That works real well.
Hey!
Oh, you have something that's ours? Hey! You go bite my cell phone? What? Oh, Jesus. You're bad? Is that why you're barking? Because you're a naughty boy? Stop. Jack, where are the froggies? Froggies? They're outside. Go get the froggies outside. Get out.